So now we will understand what is mutual inductance and how this mutual inductance produces secondary voltage in a transformer. So first I will draw an iron core. This is a three-dimensional structure, but on a plane I'm drawing is as a two-dimensional. It is completely made up of wrought iron. Now I connect supply voltage to the primary. Primary is wound on the one leg of the iron core like this. So this is AC supply. Let's call it as 220 voltage single phase supply. Now AC voltage varies sinusoidally like this with time. So current also varies sinusoidally with time. So the magnetic flux which is produced, magnetic flux is nothing but number of magnetic lines that is produced and moves through the iron core like this. I will draw the magnetic field lines using a different color. Let's call it red. The magnetic field lines will pass through the iron core only. Why does it pass through only iron core? The reason is air offers more reluctance to the magnetic field lines. So magnetic field lines are very cunning. They follow the path which offers them less resistance. Resistance means it offers it has less reluctance. Now I will wind one secondary, and let's say that this secondary winding has number of turns as N2 and number of turns in primary is N1. I will connect a load to this secondary winding. I am imagining this is an ideal transformer and it has no losses. So if 220 volt is in N1 is supplied to the primary, so what is the voltage produced across this load? Basically, what is the voltage induced in the secondary? So that is given by V1 by V2. V1 is the primary voltage is equal to N1 by N2. N1 is number of turns in primary and N2 is number of turns in secondary. This is an ideal case. So suppose N1 by N2, suppose N1 is equal to 10 and N2 is equal to 20. So what will happen? V1 is 220. So 220 divided by V2 equal to 10 by 20. So this is 2. So V2, this implies V2 is equal to 440 volts. So this is a step-up transformer. If we increase N2, it will produce higher voltage. If we make N2 lesser than N1, it will be a step-down voltage. Okay.